Hey guys, it's your boy Olatunji here. Right now in this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can claim your Dodge to your Bybit account, and it's actually simple. Just follow the step and you should be able. So all you just need to do is log into your Telegram, and you just have to open the Dodge app. And once you're there, all you just need to do is first and foremost, we can click on the stone claim hint, and you can just follow official channels and prepare your wallet instant transfer. So let's just go with the CEX. So right now let me just go back from the deposit to exchange, we can pick that. So wallet in Telegram, but let's just go with the one that says exchange. But the non-custodian wallet will be available out on 20. That will be about 2 days from now. So we can just click on this exchange and click on the continue. So right here they've added one more again, which is the big get, but let's just focus on the Bybit for now. And once we click on the Bybit, we can click on the send here. And clicking on the send here, we can be like, do you have a Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive Dodge. Okay, we already do that. So try to create a Bybit account. It's easy to do so. But if you don't have a Bybit account, you can just click on this. No, let's create it. Okay. But for those that have a Bybit account, just click on the yes, I have it. Or once you're done creating it, you can just click on yes, I have it. So right now, all we just need to do is go to our Bybit account and copy some details. Because from here, they say add your deposit address and your UID and your memo to receive Dodge. Okay, so let's go and copy our Bybit UID first. So guys, right now on your Bybit account, just click on this profile icon, and once you're done clicking that, this is your account, and all you just need to do, this particular place that see UID, copy this guys, copy it, and it says copied successfully, and you can go back. And guys, you just have to come here, paste in your UID. Okay, and once you're done doing that, we need to go and copy our Dodge deposit address. And let's go back to Bybit again, and on Bybit, click on the asset part, this particular part, the nav bar below, and click on the click on the deposit, sorry. And once you click on the deposit, click on the deposit crypto. And from here, all you just need to do is come to the search bar and come and search for dog. So you come search for dog, and let's go. This is it guys, search for dogs, and this is it. So click on the dogs, and from here pick your chain type. So it only supports the Tron network. You pick that, and there's a please feed both address and or a tag or memo correctly when depositing dogs. So we can click on the OK button. So right now, this is your wallet address and this is your memo. So let's copy the wallet address first. Just click on the copy, and you've copied your wallet address. You can go back and over here paste in the wallet address, and let's go back again and copy our memo. You can go back, click on the copy. Yeah, this is your memo. This is your memo guys, and let's go back again. And right here, let me go back in the memo section, just paste in your memo, and the send button should be activated now. And after doing that, you just have to click on the send button, and they say confirm withdrawal, Bybit deposit, and this is all the details. KYC passed, only exchange required to verify your identity before trading, and you can click on the I confirm self. And with this, they say deposit in progress. Now be ready for listening on August 20. You can click on the proof. So that's how easy it is for you to deposit on your Bybit account. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, and also kindly please share this video to your friends and family that don't know how to withdraw their dogs. So see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to drop a like. Bye, love you guys.